Hello and welcome to the Mary Kay US YouTube channel. My name is Patty Sigala, Senior Developer of Salesforce Education and Tools, and I'm so excited that you're watching. Today, you'll hear from two independent Salesforce leaders who will share their Mary Kay story and why they love their Mary Kay businesses. Let's hear from our first guest. She is Independent Future Executive Senior Sales Director, Tanya Satcher.
Hello everyone. My name is Tanya Satcher, and I'm an Independent Future Executive Senior Sales Director with Mary Kay. I've been building my business for over 25 years, and I'm absolutely loving every moment of it. I have been married to the man of my dreams for over 28 years, and we have 3 adult children. 25 years ago, I was in a place in my life where I needed something more. Not knowing that Mary Kay was it at the time, you see, I was introduced to the product over 30 years ago. I was at a church event and a young lady asked us to sign up for a pampering session. I was so excited that I couldn't even focus on the service. Immediately after the service, I made a beeline to the back, put my name on the list, and a few days later, she called me. The beauty consultant came to my job, introduced me to the product, and I fell in love with the skincare. But we couldn't quite connect after that. So needless to say, I was so happy when my best friend called me one day and said, guess what? I'm selling Mary Kay. She invited me to her first party. And so just like any other good friend would do, I showed up late. And when I walked in the house, she was super excited to see me. She asked me to sit at the table for a facial, and I said no, because I already knew what I wanted to buy. So just like any other good friend would do, I made my purchase, and I was the first person to leave. But on my way out the door, she said, wait, I want you to have a party for me. And I agreed. My best friend called me every day about this party. Well, on the day of the party, I was at a church event and I realized that I had forgot her and the party. I forgot my friend. So I left church, headed home, hoping that she had forgotten also. When I arrived to the house, her car wasn't there. I ran in and there was a note on the kitchen table saying, I was here. Where were you? I was so hurt that I had disappointed my friend. So I did like any other good friend would do. I didn't call her for 3 months. Yes, 3 months. Because I missed her friendship, I did like any other good friend would do. I called her while she was at work and left her a long message apologizing for what had happened. I knew that day she would call me, and she did. I didn't give her time to say anything. I told her I was sorry, she forgave me, and I booked another party. This time, I was going to make sure it was amazing. So I invited my coworkers. I knew they would show up, and they did. Once the party was over, I asked her how much money she had made because I wanted to get my products for free. She's told me how much she had made, and I asked her, how much of that is yours? And she said, that's how much I made. I can go to Walmart with this money tonight. Then suddenly, it was like confetti fell from the sky. It was like a sign blinking, this is it. And I signed my agreement that night. The company has come a long way than when I first submitted my beauty consultant agreement. We now have technology to work our business in person or virtually. We have resources like Shop My Party, where you can set up a party, share the link with your hostess, and track the party sales. It's that simple. Remember, with Mary Kay, you are in business for yourself, but never by yourself. The people I have met and the friendships I have created along the way have been something I never thought was possible while doing something you truly love. Extra money was what I was searching for, but I found so much more in this incredible opportunity. I would be doing others a disservice if I did not share all the great things that comes with starting your own Mary Kay business. Yes, starting something new can be scary, but what isn't? With the incredible startup options available right now, how could you not give it a chance? I am so grateful to be able to serve others with Mary Kay products and this awesome opportunity. My desire is to touch and change lives all over the country. As we are in the 60th year as a company, there are 10 things I have learned. Number 1, keep God first. Number 2, I don't have to know all to be successful. Number 3, Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Number 4, I can do it. Number 5, quitting is not an option. Number 6, trust the process. Number 7, pass it on. Number 8, make everyone feel special. Number 9, never stop dreaming. And number 10, have fun. Mary Kay was founded on the idea of giving women a way to control their own destinies. Take a look at some of the women who dared to take a chance, build confidence, and found purpose through passion.
Sometimes, the most incredible journeys start from a simple idea. 60 years ago, Mary Kay was founded on the idea of giving women a way to control their own destinies, providing them with irresistible products, a community of support, and the flexibility to balance their faith, their family, and their Mary Kay business. Guided by the ideal that the only way to achieve true success is by helping those around you succeed. For 60 years, Mary Kay has been empowering women to inspire a more beautiful world. Mary Kay women are a force to be reckoned with. They build their success on their terms, on their schedule, to fit their family's priorities, with resilience and determination. They made the most of the Mary Kay opportunity, embracing their unique strengths and talents. These women are entrepreneurs, role models, and trailblazers. Through their unwavering dedication, they embody the true spirit of the Mary Kay opportunity, empowering not only themselves, but also countless others to embrace their potential and forge their own paths to success. And across the nation, these amazing women are coming together to celebrate this incredible opportunity and the enduring philosophies of Mary Kay Ash. From coast to coast, Mary Kay women are painting America pink with their passion, determination, and joyful spirit, lighting the way for the next generation of leaders.
One of these days, we will completely envelop the world with beautiful women, with beautiful thoughts and beautiful blessings. We have a mission to share our love and our energies and our hopes and our dreams and our superior products and our abundant way of life. I only planted the seed and you took it from there and nurtured it, and look what you have done. Memories and milestones and miracles of sharing the dream and keeping the promise.
Here's to 60 more years of empowering women to be self-starters and be who they truly want to be. Painting America pink. Then, now, and always.
Wasn't that such a beautiful video? Seriously, one of my favorites. And thank you so much, Tanya, for sharing your Mary Kay story with us. We truly appreciate you. But now it's time to hear from our next and final speaker, the amazing Independent National Sales Director, Jamie Taylor.
Hi, I'm Jamie Taylor, Independent National Sales Director. You know, one of the reasons I love Mary Kay is because it just fits my life. You can make extra money on the side while working your business as much or as little as you want. The Mary Kay opportunity is all about flexibility. It fits your life so you can balance the important things and put them first while still working a successful Mary Kay business. Even how you start your Mary Kay business is flexible. The choice is yours. One of the things that attracted me to the opportunity as a college student was the sense of freedom. It felt good to know that there was no pressure. I wasn't going to be letting anybody down if I needed to put my school workload first. I loved knowing I wasn't signing myself up for more homework. However, on the flip side, it felt equally good to know that no one could hold me back from the amount of profit I could earn based on my age or level of experience. I could build this as big as I wanted to, based on how much I was willing to put into it. It truly felt like a win-win for me at that season of life. And that freedom to make it what I want has continued to be one of my favorite parts of the business even 10 years later. I have been able to run my Mary Kay business while as a busy college student, a newlywed, and a new mom. It fit my life in every aspect. And to me, the best part is you can earn up to 50% profit on everything you sell at suggested retail. I don't know about you, but the thought of earning 50% profit on what I sold being a college student sounded like a perfect fit for me. Mary Kay has helped me be who I want to be. Mary Kay independent beauty consultants care about one another, their customers, and helping other women. And nothing beats the encouragement and empowerment you receive from other women like you. Mary Kay also offers opportunities for education and personal development that can help you build your leadership and selling skills. And no, you are in business for yourself, but never by yourself. Mary Kay continually develops resources to help you along the way. Like I said, I was 20 years old when I started my Mary Kay business, and I have grown so much over the years. There were so many women who mentored and guided me along the way in my Mary Kay journey. So, what sets Mary Kay apart from other direct sales companies? Well, a lot. But one of the most important differences is there is no requirement for an independent beauty consultant to build a team in order to earn a profit in her business. Mary Kay has fabulous products and an incredible wholesale discount that every independent beauty consultant can enjoy. So when you purchase products from your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant, you can feel good about supporting an independent entrepreneur who is backed by a long-standing and ethical brand. There's so many reasons to say yes to the Mary Kay opportunity. Here are a few more reasons why I continue to choose Mary Kay. In the beginning, like I told you guys, I was really attracted to the ability to make that 50% profit on everything I sold at suggested retail, but to do it on my own terms. And I still love that. But the reasons for building my Mary Kay business have deepened over time. I thoroughly enjoy having a place in my life where I can win, and even better, help other women win. It is so rewarding for me to have something that's just for me outside of being a wife and a mother. I get a place to lead others, make a positive impact in their lives, have fun, earn rewards, help support my family through what I can earn. I truly feel so blessed to be a part of this community where I feel like I'm making a difference. I hope that you discovered a whole new world of beautiful possibilities with Mary Kay today. Can you see how the Mary Kay opportunity could fit your life? I want you to pick one of these options, A, B, or C. The question is this opportunity for you? A means absolutely, I am interested, and with your help, I'm willing to try. B means book me for a second appointment. I do have some questions, and I'd love to talk more. And C means could be for me down the road. Until then, I love being your customer. If you are all in and want to start a Mary Kay business right now, Mary Kay has flexible startup options that fit your needs. Head over to marykay.com or reach out to the independent beauty consultant who invited you to watch this for all the details. Thank you so much for joining us today. I promise your beauty consultant invited you because she sees something special in you. And I truly hope we gave you some things to think about when it comes to the Mary Kay opportunity. I remember being in your shoes, hearing this opportunity for the first time like it was yesterday. And I remember that mix of excitement but apprehension. Could I really do this? Who would be my customer? What if I'm no good at this? But at the same time, wow, it sounds so much fun. What if I enjoyed it? What if it worked out? And do you know what helped me get off the fence and decide to just say yes? I'll tell you. I thought to myself, what is the best case scenario? What if I had fun, built a thriving customer base, and made that extra money I'm looking for? Then I thought about my worst case scenario. If I discovered it wasn't for me, nothing bad would actually happen to me, at least I would never ever have to wonder. I didn't like the idea of wondering 10 years down the road what would have happened if I had only tried it. That helped me to just say, what the heck, and give it a go. And I have to tell you, I'm so very glad that I did.